आयज आमचो ऑब्झर्वर बाबा क्लायड जो नॅशनल स्पोक्स पर्सन हो आयज आमचे मदें हांगा वास्को शारान एक मिटिंगेक आमच्या येयला वर्कर्स मिटिंगाची आनी हे मिटिंगेक स्पेशली येयला की आयज एक गोंया आमच्या लोकांच्या मतीन एक जावन गेला की नॅशनलिस्ट काँग्रेस पार्टीन 2 प्रेसिडेंट जाले म्हणून ह्या 2 प्रेसिडेंट ना एकूच आहा तो मिस्टर क्लायड क्रास्टो आमचो ऑब्झर्वर तुमकां सांगतलो पूण तेच्या पयलीं हांव एक सांगता की आयज म्हाका शरद पवार साहेबान अपॉयंट केल्लो आनी शरद पवारच्या साहेबा हेजेरूच आयज हांव आमच्या ह्या नॅशनलिस्ट काँग्रेस पार्टी ही घेवन आयज पासून आहा पण हे काय रिसेंटली आमी दिल्ली गेले आय बीन कॉल्ड फॉर द मीटिंग ती आमची एक्सटेंडेड वर्किंग कमिटी मीटिंग सो ते मिटिंगेक आमी सगळे आख्खे लायक जे स्टेट जे प्रेसिडेंट आहाय नॅशनलिस्ट काँग्रेस पार्टीचे ते सगळे थिंगा हाजीर आसले MP आसले तशेंच MLA आसले आयज तांच्या मदें आयज एक चर्चा अशी जाली आनी हांवेनूय आमी म्हणलें की आमी ह्या गोंया नॅशनलिस्ट काँग्रेस पार्टी जी आसा ती आमी घेवन फुली एक्झिक्युटिव्ह कमिटी आमची ह्या शरद पवार साहेबाच्या बरोबर आसतले आनी हे बरोबर कितें आसतलें कित्याक शरद पवार साहेब ही पार्टी घडून हाडलेली तेणेच जेन्ना गोंया हाडटा तेन्ना डॉक्टर विल्फ्रेड डिसोजा तो मेळोन आनी शरद पवार दोगांनी रावन ही गोंया स्थापन केली पार्टी आयज ही पार्टी घेवन आयज पासून आमी आहा पूण जो लीडर स्ट्रॉंग जो टॉल लीडर आमचो शरद पवार साहेब हाच्या हातीकाला सकयल रावन आयज आमची नॅशनलिस्ट काँग्रेस पार्टी मुखार वयता आनी ही पार्टी म्हणटा ती 2 जण प्रेसिडेंट न्हू एकूच पूण एकूच हांव कित्याक लागून म्हणटा आयज जोरी तर तो शांभू परब जोरी तर ताका अपॉयंट केला जाल्यार प्रफुल्ल पटेल साहेबान म्हाका दिसता केला आनी तांकां दाखोवपा जाय ऑन इलेक्शन कमिशनर केस आहा तांकां दाखोवपा जाय की वी ऑल्सो गॉट अ ऑर्गनायझेशन इन गोवा सो हें दाखोवपा लागून आयज आनी हे लोकांनी मोतीन दवरप ना नॅशनलिस्ट काँग्रेस पार्टी 2 प्रेसिडेंट नाय एकूच प्रेसिडेंट आसतलो आनी तेजेर सारको आमचो ऑब्झर्वर तुमकां सारकी माहिती तेजेर दितलो
NCP is divided into two. There are 2 state presidents for Goa already. So what do you want to say on that? Anything on the clarification on that?
See, there is no confusion at all. There is no confusion in our minds. And I would also tell the people of Goa not to be confused at all for the simple reason that Nationalist Congress Party, led by our Honorable President Mr. Sharad Pawar, has not split up. We are still the Nationalist Congress Party. We still have the symbol, the clock. And the Election Commission of India, as of now when I speak to you, still recognizes Mr. Sharad Pawar as our president and Nationalist Congress Party with the clock symbol. When there is one party, when there is one president, if somebody else is being appointed, how is that valid? It is completely illegal, unconstitutional according to our constitution of our party. The president of NCP Goa, and I repeat, the president of NCP, Nationalist Congress Party Goa, is Mr. Jose Philip D'Souza, because he has been appointed by our national president, Mr. Sharad Pawar, and he is part of our constitutional setup. He has been appointed, he is leading the party in Goa, so I do not see any reason why the people of Goa or the people of our country should be confused as to who is the president of NCP Goa. Because, see, if this is the case, anybody can appoint anybody. Does not stand valid. It has to be appointed by the competent authority or the president of the party, and that's what has happened. So I think it is only a way of confusing the people so that they get some kind of points in front of the Election Commission of India. But you have to understand the Supreme Court of India in the Shiv Sena case in Maharashtra has very clearly said that the legislative party cannot make decisions of the organizational setup. They are claiming that they have more MLAs. Fair enough. They can present that case. But the organizational setup, we were in Delhi day for yesterday. Mr. Jose Philip D'Souza also was there in Delhi. He also spoke in front of all our people from all across the country. National President was present, Mr. Sharad Pawar. All the presidents of different states of NCP were there. We had a huge meeting there, and everybody has said that we are with Mr. Sharad Pawar. So there is no confusion at all. And I want to tell the people of Goa, and I want to assure them that this president of ours, Mr. Jose Philip D'Souza, will continue to serve them for a long, long time. And we are happy with this work, and we will also try our best to serve the people of Goa to the best of our ability.